In this video, I will show on create, how to use the Android Studio to create an Flutter project and run the application in iOS, Android, and Chrome. Let's start and create a new Flutter project. Click on new Flutter project. Click on next. Flutter project name should be in a small case. Now write hello world, and I have by default it select the Kotlin and Swift and platform Android and iOS. Now additionally I click on the web. When you have created a project uh, via Android Studio, it will give them the a template code in which uh, template code by default in which there is a floating action button. On that click, it will increment the count and show that on the text field. It's called for if you familiar with the Jetpack Compose, uh, it will be used to create another navigation bar and the content area. It is the uh, app bar title and it is the content area below the navigation bar. And if that is a children in the content area, there is only one field, text field, which is on the center of the screen, and there is a floating action button. That's it. Now I will select the from that option. I will select the iPhone 12 Pro Max uh, simulator and run the project. I already opened it on simulator. It is launching here. Running Xcode build. It will take 29 seconds to run the project in simulator. The Flutter demo homepage. It is an app bar, and this is the title, the visitor title, and that is the content area, body. And in the body, there is a first child is column. In that column, there is another child's text field in which they have written that you have pushed the button this many times, and in that below there is another text field in which uh, they show the counter, and that counter is the variable. Whenever uh, user hit the plus button, it will increment the count, and that updated value will be shown here. Now we'll open this project on simulator in Android emulator. Then we'll get to task. Still running the Gradle task. Now it is installing on emulator. You can see the simulator and emulator. Now I will open it on Chrome web. Chrome is launched. The big point in the Flutter is that you have to be the manage the single code base for three types of application: iOS, Android, and web. Thank you for watching.